Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to manage all sound effects in your SOUNDCORE AeroFit Pro. So, at first go to the SOUNDCORE application. You can download it on your either iPhone or Android phone, and if you want any help, you can just check our channel because we have plenty of videos about that. So, go to the sound effects here in the application, and now we can see a lot of cool things. For example, here as you can see, we have spatial audio. If you tap it, you can find plenty of the settings: fixed, spatial sound, or head tracking. If you move your head, everything will be tracked very exact. Here as you can see, we have some few modes. We have either music mode or movie mode. Of course, this is not only just a name, it works very nice with music and movies. So yeah, I'd recommend to set this option actually if you watch either music or videos. Apart from the spatial audios, we do have the Equalizer. If you tap on the default, I mean here if you tap this option just, you can see either Soundcore Signature, Bass Booster, Classical, Volume Booster, Acoustic, and these are the Equalizer presets. Apart from that, you can tap more and select any other one. For example, rock. Now we can go back, and as you can see, it's set. And apart from that, again, we do have something called custom EQ. You can, as you can see, create your own presets. If you tap this gear icon, you can delete some presets or rename them. Or if you tap plus, you can name new preset and set everything for it, any setting. And actually that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.